How to find missing folder pane in Outlook 365. If you want to find the missing folder pane in Outlook 365, it is actually quite simple to do so. First of all, if you have the Outlook app and the folder pane is actually missing, it's not missing, it's actually just hidden. So by default, you're on the home tab, right? Now what you have to do from here is you have to go to the view option from the top left. There you can see this folder called folder pane. Show, hide, or change the layout of the folder pane. If I simply open this up, folder list, you can see currently it is checked to hide, which means my folder pane is currently hidden. So if I want to unhide it and find it, I simply have to click the show option and the folder pane will actually show up right over here. And if I want to go ahead and then hide it instead, I can click the hide button to do so. So I hope that this video really helped you as to how you can find the missing folder pane on Windows 10 or your Outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.